I wrote the book A Mind for Sales to keep you out of the bowling alley. I'm Mark Hunter, the Sales Hunter, and you're saying, what bowling alley? Well, let me tell you something. I find too many salespeople, what they do is they really view the customer as bowling pins to be knocked over. In the book, I talk extensively about how your customer is not a bowling pin to be knocked over, but your customer is someone to create a relationship with. We don't close sales, we open relationships. And when we open relationships, it's amazing the level of business we can get from that customer. Not get from that customer, but with that customer. Because we're creating additional value, additional relationships. We're helping them see and achieve what they didn't think was possible. It's just some of the things I talk about in my book, A Mind for Sales, and why I want you to pick up a copy. Pick up a copy for your sales team. Share it. Learn from it. I'm Mark Hunter, the Sales Hunter. Great selling.